On this video, I am going to demonstrate the technique for the burpees. It is the basic technique for the basic burpee with a push-up. The burpee, I have broken it down into 6 parts. So I'm going to demonstrate the 6 parts first. First thing is to be efficient at bringing your arms down with straight elbows from a deadlift position with your chest open into, that's one, into a high plank with the legs locked. Arms continue to stay straight, legs locked, that's 2. 3 would be a push-up with the elbows pulling back towards your hips but not squeezing into your body. 4 will be a horizontal tuck jump. So I back into where I started with that deadlift position with wide legs. 5 will be a squat. So now my chest opens out, my arms comes back, and I'm getting ready to jump for 6. And that's the burpee. Keep in mind that each position needs to be very precise so the nervous system knows exactly what you are doing in order for you to maintain good joint positions, and the muscles can contract accurately so you do not waste energy. I'm going to break it down into 3 positions now. So, number 1 will be from a standing position into your deadlift. That's 1. 2 will be here, and 3 will be there. I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to go a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3. So moving from the drop of the upper body into the high plank, into the push-up, and then coming into the horizontal tuck jump, and into the squat jump, we're going to now cut it into 2 pieces now. So from 3 to 2 pieces. So I'm going to do the drop in the hands into the deadlift position with the bum high into the push-up, into the tuck jump. That's 1. And 2, arms go back. So remember, from the tuck jump, I need to come up into that squat position before I jump. Okay? I'm going to repeat that a bit faster this time. Once you start to get into the flow, you'll notice my arms are not going to come back as far. Once I get into a rhythm and I start to stimulate my elastic energy, I want to maintain my elastic energy. So now I'm going to put it into 1 motion. I'm going to go slow first. Hands flat. My arms are in a position I feel comfortable with doing a push-up. So for me, it's approximately shoulder width, and my tricep is touching my knee joint. That's my signal to pop back My feet are in a comfortable position in terms of the width, hip width, shoulder width. As I go into my push-up, my elbows go backwards. My hands are spread out, my fingers are long. And then I jump with my legs wide. And if you notice, I'm going to just drop my head for a moment. How my bum is actually higher than my head. That gives me more space for my hips to come through. If I'm dropped too much, it gives me less space. And remember that you're moving in a horizontal plane and gravity is pulling you downwards. So if my knee is like that, gravity is pulling me down, and my knee joint is very open, there's a lot of stress on the connective tissue. Okay, so you can start to strain your ligaments and put yourself up for increasing your risk of getting injuries. So you need to be stack the bones. You want to be as vertical as possible with your shin bone and your foot in a very functional position, as if you're standing, right? So you want to have your foot in the functional position, not like that. You want to be like that, and then you sit back into a nice, strong squat position. So from a deadlift position here, you come up into a squat position, you brace your core muscles. My legs, my knees are pushed out, my legs and hips are working, and I'm going to have a strong jump with my toes, of course, pointed, then land back into squat, into deadlift. So the squat deadlift position is going to blend at the end. So from here, I just finished my push-up, into my tuck jump, horizontal, and then from here, I go right into, from a deadlift into a squat from here. So I'm going to now do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's your burpee. I'm going to create a detailed training program for the burpee. I will let you know when that's ready, and then you can register for that. And that information will be on my website at KCFITT.com. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.